Did you know that 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses? It's a staggering statistic that highlights a hidden threat many overlook. Today, we'll uncover the vulnerabilities lurking in your network, waiting to be exploited. Cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, and no organization is immune. From ransomware to phishing, the landscape is constantly shifting. Let's delve into these threats and understand their potential impact on your business. Cybersecurity governance is the backbone of your organization's security framework. It ensures that security policies align with business objectives, creating a cohesive strategy. But how does it work in practice? Governance establishes accountability and decision-making processes. It's about leadership fostering a security-conscious culture. Discover how effective governance can transform your organization's approach to cybersecurity. Risk management is about identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks. It's a proactive approach that can save your organization from potential disasters. But what does effective risk management look like? Explore real-world examples of successful risk management strategies. From data breaches to insider threats, learn how organizations have navigated these challenges and emerged stronger. Compliance ensures your organization meets legal and regulatory requirements. But it's more than just ticking boxes. Compliance can enhance your organization's reputation and build trust with stakeholders. Discover the consequences of noncompliance and how to avoid them. From hefty fines to reputational damage, the stakes are high. Learn how to turn compliance into a strategic advantage. Governance, risk, and compliance should work together seamlessly. An integrated GRC strategy offers numerous benefits, from streamlined processes to enhanced security. But how do you achieve this integration? Learn how to align GRC with your organization's overall goals. By creating a unified approach, you can enhance resilience and ensure long-term success. Let's explore the steps to achieve this alignment. Let's recap. Effective GRC is essential for safeguarding your digital assets. By implementing a robust framework, you'll enhance your organization's resilience. Remember, it's not just about protection, it's about strategic growth. Take action today. Begin by assessing your current GRC practices and identify areas for improvement. Together, we can build a secure future. Let's make cybersecurity a priority and protect what matters most. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.